Welcome to another free discount vouchers video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a Juniper discount voucher for all the 5 Juniper Associate-level certifications. So I'm here on the Juniper Network's learning portal and I will scroll down to the Get Started for Free. So there are a lot of other distractions, but we are going straight to the Get Started for Free. So now it will take you to the process of getting your free discount vouchers. So this is basically a self-paced and self-learning portal where you can take free self-paced technical training and earn vouchers for 5 associate level certifications. And after that, on step 2, you can register your exam and use that voucher code on the Pearson VU website to get your exam. So this voucher you are getting is totally free. There are no cost involved with this voucher, and this is a 75% discount voucher. Unlike the Cisco exams, specifically speaking about the CCNA exam, it's a $300 exam. And even if you get a discount voucher from a NetAcad website, which is not free, you have to go through their process, and it's an instructor-led course, you get a 60% discount voucher, which means you still have to pay somewhere around $130 to $140 to attempt the CCNA exam. On the other hand, Juniper is just a $200 exam. All the associate level exams for Juniper are $200 exam. And on top of that, you get a 75% discount, which is free as well. So you only have to pay $50 to try and attempt the Juniper associate level exams, which includes the JNCIA-Junos, JNCIA-DevOps, JNCIA-Security, Cloud, and JNCDA. So whatever track you are interested in, you can attempt these associate level exams for just $50. So even if you are coming from a Cisco background or you have already prepared for the CCNA exam, you can still take it. This is a good opportunity for you to test out your knowledge by first attempting Juniper networking exam for $50 to see if you are ready and prepared for the CCNA exam. You can take this course, for Cisco experience, they can take this course, which is a CCNA to JNCIA-Junos, which will take you through the main differences between the CCNA and JNCI courses, specifically talking a lot about how the command line interface is different on the Juniper devices. Or even you can take the Juniper switching for Cisco engineers course to take you through the small differences between the Cisco switching technologies and Juniper switching technologies, which are not a lot, but it will take you. So this is a good start and good opportunity for those who are experienced in Cisco like me. But if you are a beginner to a networking world and you are just starting your career in networking, so this is also a good opportunity for you to start from Junos Associate JNCIA-Junos course. Or if you are interested in automation, security, or cloud, you can start from there as well. So we just have to click on this course. It will take you through the subscription, and we will see that this subscription is totally free. You don't have to pay anything. So I have already subscribed to this course and I was already logged in. So if you're not logged in, I will show you how that works. So I'll open up a new window, and we'll just copy this. So if you are not logged in, and you click on any of these courses like this one, so it will ask you to log in, obviously. So it will ask you to subscribe to this course, which will cost you $0. And when you subscribe to this course, it will ask you to log in, obviously. And if you don't have an ID, you'll have to create an ID. So you'll go to need help signing in and new user registration here. So this is important. You have to give your email information and fill in the entire form. If you miss out some information in this form, so maybe they will not allow you to get an ID. So let's create a random id.com and select a country. So I'm taking you through this because this is important. You have to select the guest user access because we don't have any other codes, or we're not associated with Juniper in any other way. So you'll so you will select the guest user access and select next. And this is important to fill out everything that they're asking you. So if you miss out or you use a fake addresses, then it is there's a chance that they will not create an account for you. So if you fill out this form completely, they will definitely create an account for you. I got my account in 5 minutes. So after you have selected everything, they usually say that you will get an account in 24 hours, but I got my account in 5 minutes. So This is how you create an account. So I already have an account, I am logged in. So that's why, because when I clicked on the course, I'm already subscribed to this course and my course starts right away. So if you are not registered to, or you haven't subscribed to a course but you're already logged in, so let's click on the Security Associate. So it will ask you to subscribe the course first, obviously. So this will ask you to subscribe to the course, which costs you $0, and the subscription includes 6 months of access to these online resources. It does not include virtual labs or course ebooks, but it does include the opportunity to earn a discount certification exam voucher in which we are interested. So we'll subscribe this course. So you get all access training pass, completely free for $0, total $0, and we will check out and purchase this course. So processing payment, $0, we have purchased, and continue. That's it. So we just purchased this course totally for free, and we can start our free self-paced course. So here we are on Junos Associate JNCIA-Junos, this is the summary of the course, which is just like CCNA. It will take you through the command line interface, basics of Junos device families, discuss configuration tasks, how you save your configuration, and which is a bit different than the Cisco devices. How do you operate and monitor maintenance of Junos devices, take you through some foundational routing knowledge, configuration examples, which will include general routing concepts, routing policies, firewall filters, almost everything that you have been studying in your CCNA exam if you are coming from that background, or if you are a beginner. So this is also everything that at a beginner level you have to learn. So okay, so down here you can see we have modules. So in JNCIA-Junos we have almost 15 modules, and in JNCIA Security we have almost 15 modules over there as well. So you have to complete these modules. The terms and condition, which you can read over here, it requires you to complete these modules. So these modules, they are required. So when you click on these modules, they are mostly video courses, which makes it very easy to complete these tasks. You just basically have to go through these video courses. So let's start this module.
The Introduction to the Junos Operating System course provides you with the foundational knowledge required to work with the Junos OS and to configure.
So you see, this is a video course. It's not a completely video course. You can engage with these items as well. So if you keep clicking next, you have to complete all these pages. You see, so we have 4 pages over here. We have resources.
The course covers a wide range of topics.
So this is how you keep completing these modules. And when you have completed all these modules, which will take you to the basics of networking, Junos operating systems, and initial configuration, user interface, routing fundamentals, routing policies, firewall filters, class of services, etc., even IPv6. So you will reach, when you have completed all these 15 modules, you will reach up to this last final stage, which is a Junos Associate Voucher Assessment Test. So this is the test that you have to pass in no more than 3 attempts. So you have 3 attempts of total to pass this voucher assessment test, and you have to take 70% or higher marks to get your Pearson VUE discount voucher code for the actual written certification exam. So I have done that. I have passed this exam, and when you pass this exam, you will get an email. On the email, you have registered yourself. So let me show you how that email looks when you pass this exam. You get this is the email that I received last year because during the pandemic they were providing 100% free discount vouchers. So I took that exam, I took these self-paced courses and received my 100% discount voucher, and this is how you receive your voucher number. I have already used this voucher number on Pearson U, and I passed my JNCIA-Junos exam last year. But a lot of people forgot that when they discontinued that 100% discount voucher, they thought that Juniper completely discontinued this voucher service, but it is still on. It's only, the difference is that they're providing a 75% discount voucher, which means now you will have to pay only $50 to attempt the JNCIA Associate-level exams. So this is how you get the free discount vouchers of 75% discount voucher, which means you only have to pay $50 to attempt all the associate level exams in Juniper. And I think this is a very good opportunity for all those people who are preparing for their CCNA. So you get some extra knowledge from here. You get to understand what are the differences between different vendors in networking, because out in a real world, in a practical world, you will have to get your hands dirty with the different vendors and different environments. You have to know that every vendor or every company has a different command line interface and different ways to access and different ways to save the configuration. So this gives you foundational knowledge of basic differences between Cisco equipment and Juniper equipment, and you also get to test out your networking knowledge in general, not just specific to Cisco or Juniper, in just $50. So I hope this video has been informative for you, and thank you very much for watching this video.